Hello students, myself Dr. Naresh Tambe. I am a faculty of psychology at the University of Mumbai Institute of Distance and Open Learning. Just now I have given here the circular for examination of idol students, and the circular is in Marathi. So students are asking the same thing in English. So I am trying to explain the whole circular in English. Okay, so I'll read the point in Marathi and then I'll discuss it in English. Okay. So the students who are understanding Marathi, they'll also get clarification, and the students who are not understanding Marathi, they'll also get clarification. All right. So the first point says in the circular that the students who are okay, the students मराठीत वाचतो आधी. पदवीच्या प्रथम वर्षाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना द्वितीय वर्षात आणि द्वितीय वर्षाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना तृतीय वर्षात प्रवेशित केले जाईल. So the students who are studying at graduation, who are studying at first year and second year, they will get admission in students who are studying in first year, they will get admission in second year, and students who are studying in second year, they will get admission in third year. Okay. परंतु हे विद्यार्थी वार्षिक पद्धतीचे असल्या कारणाने त्यांचे अंतर्गत मूल्यमापन व सत्र परीक्षा नसल्याने त्यांची पदवी प्रथम द्वितीय वर्षाची आणि पदव्युत्तर प्रथम वर्षाची परीक्षा ही पुढील शैक्षणिक सत्र सुरू झाल्यावर 4 महिन्यांच्या आत घेण्यात येणार आहे. सो बिकॉज वी आर इन डिस्टन्स मोड, वी डोंट हॅव सेमिस्टर पॅटर्न, द स्टुडंट्स हू आर स्टडिंग at IDOL, we don't have internal evaluation of students studying at FY and SY, and students who are studying at masters, okay, masters of MA or MCom or MSc, okay, we don't have the internal evaluation of those students, and that's why though university or IDOL is admitting you in next class or further class, but the student who are getting admitted into next class, they have to give exams. When? Not now. When lockdown will get over, after that within 4 months, okay, IDOL will conduct the exam for all students, those who are getting admitted in next class. For those all students, IDOL will conduct the exam within the 4 month after lockdown period will get over. You all have to appear for the exam. That is first point. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now who are those? I'll say, okay, first year BA, first year BCom, SY BA, SY BCom, they all will be promoted in next class. Okay. Then part 1 of MA, part 1 of MA education, part 1 of MCom, part 1 of MSc maths and MSc IT, they all will be promoted in next class, but they all will have to give the exams, okay, within the 4 month after lockdown period will get over. That is first point. Now let's understand second point. It is may not be related to you all, but the students, the friends, if you're having some friends who are studying in semester pattern at IDOL, you can discuss with them. Okay, so I'll just read. I'll read all points. So second point is BSc IT, MCA, PGDFM and PGDORM हे अभ्यासक्रम आयडॉलमध्ये सत्र पद्धतीने चालवले जातात. So BSc IT, MCA, PGDFM and PGDORM, these courses we are providing in terms of semester pattern. They have semester pattern. त्यामुळे BSc IT, MCA, PGDFM आणि PGDORM मधील प्रथम वर्षात आणि द्वितीय वर्षात शिकणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना त्यांच्या आधीच्या सत्र परीक्षेच्या गुणांच्या आधारे आणि अंतर्गत मूल्यांकनाच्या आधारे निकाल जाहीर करून विद्यार्थ्यांना पुढील वर्षात किंवा सत्रामध्ये प्रवेशित केले जाईल. So because semester pattern is there of BSc IT, MCA, PGDFM and PGDORM, they have semester pattern, so they have internal evaluation also. So IDOL have their previous semester marks, and also we have their internal evaluation marks also. So on that basis they will be promoted in next semester or in next class. All right, this is. Then point number 3 is very important. The अंतिम वर्षाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या परीक्षा या शासनाच्या निर्देशान्वये जुलै 2019 मध्ये घेण्यात येतील. सो द स्टुडंट्स हू आर स्टडिंग ॲट फायनल इयर ऑफ ऑल कोर्सेस, द एक्झाम्स विल बी देअर इन 2020, July 2020. Now, whose exam will be there? I'll read. Okay. Understand this. 4 points are there. You have to understand carefully. सत्र पद्धतीतील 1 वर्षाचा अभ्यासक्रम असल्यास दुसऱ्या सत्राची परीक्षा घेण्यात येईल. So, if there is a semester pattern and the course is only for 1 year, so 1 year course means 2 semester. If semester pattern is there, 1 year course, 2 semester. So, in July 2020, the exam will be taken only for semester 2. All right. Semester 1 they will be automatically promoted on the basis of their previous semester marks and internal evaluation. So semester 2 exam university will take. Which are those courses? That is PGDFM and PGDORM. Okay. Next point. सत्र पद्धतीतील 3 वर्षाचा अभ्यासक्रम असल्यास, सत्र पद्धतीतील 3 वर्षाचा अभ्यासक्रम असल्यास 6व्या सत्राची परीक्षा घेण्यात येईल. So in the semester pattern, if if a 3 years course is there, then IDOL will conduct exam for semester 6 only, that is final year. Okay, 6 semester only. Now which are those course in IDOL? BSc IT and MCA we have, where 3 years course is there. So IDOL will conduct exam in month of July only for BSc IT and MCA. Okay, for only for semester 6. All right. So this is second point. Third point in this, वार्षिक पद्धतीतील 2 वर्षाचा अभ्यासक्रम असल्यास दुसऱ्या वर्षाची परीक्षा घेण्यात येईल. So if yearly pattern 2 years course is there, so the second year's exam will be taken by the IDOL. So which are those courses? I'll read. Part 2 of MA, part 2 of MA Education, part 2 of MCOM, part 2 of MSc Maths, part 2 of MSc IT and part 2 of MSc Computer Science. So these are the courses for which all these courses part 2 exam will be taken in month of July 2020. And the last point of this, वार्षिक पद्धतीतील 3 वर्षाचा अभ्यासक्रम असल्यास तिसऱ्या वर्षाची परीक्षा घेण्यात येईल. In yearly pattern, if the course for 3 years, yearly pattern, not semester pattern, yearly pattern, if the course is for 3 years, so the final year's exam will be taken. Now which are those courses? TYBA, TYBCom and TYBSc Computer Science. Okay, this is all about the point number 3. Now let's go to point number 4. It says that अंतिम वर्षाच्या परीक्षेस प्रविष्ट असलेले विद्यार्थी प्रथम, द्वितीय, तृतीय वर्षाच्या परीक्षेत काही विषयात अनुत्तीर्ण असल्यास अशा विषयांच्या परीक्षा सुद्धा जुलै 2020 मध्ये घेण्यात येतील. So this is for the students who are studying at final year. Okay, those who are students who are studying at final year, if they are having 80 KT, if they are failed in some subject at first year or second year, if they are having 80 KT, so such exams for these students who are studying at final year, the exams for these students for the subject which they are not cleared, the exam will be there itself in the July 2020. Okay. Point number 5. विद्यार्थी अंतिम वर्षाच्या परीक्षेत उत्तीर्ण असेल, परंतु प्रथम वर्ष किंवा द्वितीय वर्षाच्या कोणत्याही विषयात अनुत्तीर्ण असल्यास त्यांच्या अनुत्तीर्ण विषयासाठीची परीक्षा देखील जुलै 2020 मध्ये घेण्यात येईल. Suppose a student is cleared at TYBA or TYBCom or TYBSc, whatever, all courses. Okay, if that exam, those all exams are clear, for example, but a student is having 80 KT in first year or in second year. So for those 80 KTs also the exam will be there in month of July 2020. Okay, now point number 6. It says, ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांना 80 KTच्या नियमांमुळे शैक्षणिक वर्ष 2019-20 मध्ये प्रवेश मिळाला नव्हता, अशा विद्यार्थ्यांना सुद्धा पुढील वर्षात प्रवेश देण्यात येईल व त्यांच्या अनुत्तीर्ण विषयाची परीक्षा ही पुढील शैक्षणिक वर्ष किंवा सत्र सुरू झाल्यानंतर 4 महिन्यांच्या आत घेण्यात येईल. Very important point. The students who were failed in the academic year 2019-20, suppose a student is failed in first year in 2020-19, he failed, that's why he could not get admission in second year. such kind of students, okay, those who have failed and could not get admission into next class, those students will also get admission into next class, okay, but they will have to give exam, not now. When? After the lockdown period will get over, within the 4 months the exam will be there. University will conduct the exam, and those exams they have to appear, and they have to solve their ATKT. All right. Now point number 7. Point number 7 says that सन 2019-20 मध्ये अंतिम वर्ष सोडून प्रवेशित BSc IT MCA विद्यार्थ्यांच्या समसत्र 2-4 या परीक्षांच्या निकालाची कार्यवाही शासनाच्या निर्देशान्वये 50% चालू सत्रातील अंतर्गत गुण व 50% मागील सत्रातील गुण ग्राह्य धरून करण्यात येईल. So how the students who are in semester pattern, okay, this is for semester pattern, not for the people who are studying in yearly pattern, but I am discussing this. The students who are studying in semester pattern, how they will get promoted? So 50% marks of their previous semester and 50% marks of their recent semester internal evaluation, they will do that all calculation. On that basis they will get a grade and they will be promoted in next class. All right. Then point number 8, very important here. The students who are promoted, the students who are studying at semester pattern, and they are promoted on the basis of 50% internal evaluation, 50% their previous semester, and whatever grade they are getting. If they are not happy about the grades, they can give exam. They can give exam. When they can give exam, of course that is after the lockdown period will get over. Within the 4 months the exam will be there, and they can give exam. They can increase their grades, okay, they can increase their marks. All right. Point number 9, अंतिम सत्रातील वर्षातील विद्यार्थ्यांच्या अंतिम सत्रातील परीक्षा किंवा मागील सत्रातील अनुत्तीर्ण विषयांच्या परीक्षा पद्धती, कालावधी इत्यादी बाबतची माहिती विद्यापीठाकडून स्वतंत्रपणे जाहीर करण्यात येईल. So this all the important information about the exam, the duration of exam, what kind of nature will be for the exam, everything, all information university will give you separately, okay. And the last point, this all above all information which is IDOL is giving you right now, this is all applicable only for the academic year 2019-20. Next academic year the situation will be normal, so we will go as normal as we were before. All right. I hope you all understand, you all are clear with this all circular, all points given. I have discussed it in English. If you not understand, if you are doubt, you can ask me. I wish you all the best. All of you study. Though you have time now, that students who are studying at last final year TYBA or TYBCom or TYBSc, they are having 1 month or 2 months maybe for study. And students who are studying at right now, they are studying at first year and second year. They may have time for maybe 3 months or 4 months. Okay, so just keep studying. Use your time effectively. Study hard and get good marks. Wish you all the best. Thank you.